Hello and welcome to the third season of Dabur Amla Aloe Vera What Women Want on Filmy Mirchi. ये सीजन ऑब्वियस रीजंस की वजह से बहुत अलग है. इस साल हम मिनिमम क्रू के साथ सारे सेफ्टी प्रिकॉशंस फॉलो करते हुए इस शो को बना रहे हैं. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. आज हम बात कर रहे हैं अबाउट फिटनेस एंड टू टॉक अबाउट दिस मैंने एक ऐसी एक्ट्रेस को बुलाया है जो काफ़ी विमेन को इंस्पायर करती है by always being her authentic self. Well, guys, there's good news for you because it's Kiara Advani. Hi, Kiara.
Hi, thank you.
I don't know, thank you for coming.
No, I'm so happy that we're doing this though virtually. I wish I could see you in person and give you a big hug and congratulate you in person, but I think I'm going to be sending you some yummy food because I'm sure this is the time you can eat it all.
Kiara, you can't send me yummy food because you don't eat, and Kiara only eats salmon and veggies, so I don't want salmon and veggies, Kiara.
You'll be happy to know that has changed in lockdown because I think I just let go in lockdown and I said, you know what? I'm never going to get this opportunity again, so I'm going to go and eat whatever I want.
But first things first, Kiara, as actors हम हमेशा एक साथ at least, you know, 3 projects कर रहे होते हैं. And it can get really tough to stay fit. So now in our Dabur Amla Aloe Vera Want It All moment, tell me how do you achieve your work and or at least balance your work and fitness goals?
So I think that, you know, I mean, when we're not working, you can choose your timings, everything, but getting that routine in while working, and especially when it's like a 7 to 7 shift or a night shift, sometimes I feel like I'm pushing myself and my body doesn't want to work out, or you know, जब हम fitness की बात करते हैं, I don't think it's just physical exercise. I think it's even your, you know, your sleeping pattern, your food intake, and that became so important. So that's why for me it's a more holistic approach. And now in lockdown, I've enjoyed doing yoga. And I think doing that, not just physically, but even mentally, just makes me really, really happy and gives me that peace and calm that I want to just take over the day. So I think that's something I can easily manage to do while shooting, maybe post back up.
But tell us a little bit about your, you know, fitness journey. Have you like always been, you know, been this kind of fitness conscious about like working out and doing whatever, or is it just because of the movies?
Okay, touch wood, honestly, I've not been on the heavier side. I do put on weight and lose it equally fast. Growing up, I loved dancing and swimming, and I would constantly be doing some form of physical activity after school. But when I got into the movies, I consciously made an effort to make it a part of my routine. And just like you brush your teeth or do anything else, I said, no, I have to take out that 1 hour and do something. Yeah. And I feel like, you know, I read this somewhere where it says, we all get really like, oh my God, I don't want to go to the gym, or, you know, I don't want to go for my workout or a run or whatever. But no, there's never been a bad workout. Like, you'll never work out and after that be like, I hated it. You actually love it. Yeah. So finally, I think because you've experienced that, you know that it's just about getting yourself to the gym or to the track or to the dance class or wherever you have to go, you know, whatever form of workout you like doing. And I'm not somebody who can do like fat diets or like keto or intermittent. The healthiest I do, which you've seen on set, is like eating ghar ka khana, and for me it's boiled without, you know, too much masala, and it's usually the same food which I genuinely enjoy eating. So for me, I would look forward to my bhindi and my salmon and my pumpkin. Those are the things which I love.
Kiara, on screen fitness और off screen fitness दो अलग-अलग चीज होती हैं. तुम कितनी particular हो screen पर? I know all this, but our listeners don't because I've worked with you, so I know like how you are on set. But like screen पर, like, you know, which angle you have to be standing at, your face or, you know, your body. Are you that type who's going to get into it or no?
No, not really. I've not been super conscious about. Maybe I should be. Sometimes when I look back at my films, I'm like, you know, I thought I was looking my best there, but actually, because you do look slightly, you know how they say the camera puts on a little bit of weight. But then some people like you fuller, some people think it's never enough. You're either too thin, too fat, so long as you're happy, that's important. So I think I'm not very conscious of this is the angle. I let my team behind the camera tell me, you know,
you have somebody looking into that.
I think They
You
are
have
the
a
little
flat
fairy
tummy,
godmothers
it's
around
fine.
us.
So till now, Kiara, तुमने कभी किसी रोल के लिए अपनी बॉडी पर काम करना पड़ा है? And would you like gain weight for like a Bridget Jones Diary kind of film or something?
I would love to. I haven't had to. I've always played the girl next door so far. But I would love to, and I'd really love to do an action film where I have to get those abs and I have to get those toned legs, and just like flaunt it and do all of that and do all the tricks and like do gymnastics, because it's something which I feel you'll do it. You take it even more seriously when you know you're working towards that role. But
Yeah.
even if I had to put on weight, I mean, getting paid to eat, why not? Definitely,
Yeah,
bring
so
it
you're
on.
you're open to taking up the challenge for different roles.
Totally. I did, even in Kabir Singh at the end, because I was pregnant. My director wanted me to look a little fuller. Because in the film I play a very young girl, and then it just suddenly flashes to when she's pregnant. So for that particular scene, I remember him telling me, he said, have some red wine or have some meat. And I don't, I'm a teetotaler, I don't drink at all. So I'm like, that I don't do. He's like, eat some meat. But I said, that day I said, chalo, I'll eat paratha, I'll do whatever.
Yeah.
I had like extra salt in my food, which I don't have at all. And sometimes
Yeah.
I really cut down on that. So I enjoyed my food so that I had that little fuller look at the end. So yeah,
Okay.
I would if I was asked to, I guess.
हम सब कोई ना कोई एक्सरसाइज से नफरत तो 100% करते हैं. जैसे like like I mean I hate working out on my legs. That's just like squats and jump squats. I can't. I'm just like So which is your least favorite?
Mine is burpees. I hate burpees. I like hate it with a passion. But it's the one thing that really works. Like if I do, a good number of burpees, I know that I've sweated out. It's a great workout in itself.
So how many can you do?
Very easily 10. As
Oh,
soon as
yeah.
we go above 10, I'm like panting and like, oh my god, when is this getting over? And then the form goes off, and then I just have to push myself.
Yeah. God, actually, yeah, burpees is awful. Kiara, mental health में fitness का बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा है. What has been your breathe easy solution? Like if you've ever been like depressed or upset?
Yeah, I think we've all had highs and lows in life. I have studied psychology, so I know the severity of it, and it is very difficult for someone who's going through it. And I think you said it in your sentence. You said breathe easy, and breathing is actually one of the best things. I mean, every time I'm a little anxious, so I did have a phase where I thought I was just having major anxiety, and it happens before something important's coming up, or when there's a lot of uncertainty, especially in this field. And at this time, I think so many people must have gone through that, whether it's been, a bout of depression or anxiety or, so many other mental related health issues. It's just very, very difficult. But the first thing you do is just take those deep breaths in. And meditation is something that has really, really helped me. Calm down, center myself, and I would completely recommend it to every single person, just to spend those few minutes with yourself and go deeper and just know yourself better. And I mean that's why I started enjoying yoga, because I started practicing.
So now you have to be honest with me.
Yeah.
कौन सी actress की fitness level से envious हो? Not jealous, but like just envious of somebody's body.
Yeah, I mean, there's so many. Deepika and Katrina,
Yeah.
I mean,
I think
like
super
how?
fit.
I think they work really hard at it, and they're just
Yeah.
gifted also.
And also they
But
like
it's-
got such a beautiful height.
That's exactly.
Yeah.
That's the
So I
thing.
think they
They've
suddenly
just
like
got those
long
long
legs for days
and
looks really nice.
yeah, it looks amazing. They can wear anything and look amazing in it.
Yeah,
So it's-
absolutely. I'm with you absolutely on this. So, okay, Kiara, अब शो का वो टाइम आ गया है जहाँ पर मेरे गेस्ट मुझसे एक सवाल पूछते हैं. So, you can actually ask me what you want to ask.
Babology, empowered by Bumble.
So since it's all about breaking the ice, I really wanted to ask you, who broke the ice first, you or Saif?
Oh, well, I think you know me. I'm a chatterbox. I love talking and I'm quite like open. So, and Saif's actually quite reserved in a way, like at first. I think especially in female company. At least that's what he projects. But, so I had to break the ice first. And yeah, like I was doing all the talking, all the kind of like, kind of like being like really chummy and stuff. So he must have wondered like, okay, like what's going on? So I think it was me.
lucky. He's entertained for life with you around, because I think that's how we all feel when we see you. So
Now I want to know, like, what diet are you following, and have you been cooking in this lockdown, and like, what did you do? Did you learn how to cook, like using proper oil and everything?
The Rasoi Se Rishto Tak moment, brought to you by Tirupati Edible Oils.
I did. I learned how to cook using no oil even, but then I realized that you need some amount of oil in your body, which I stopped doing. So I think I realized a lot of things that I was doing that was not, the healthiest way, probably. But this lockdown, I think my palate has changed. I've been eating lasagna, and I've been eating things like, even if it's like lasagna or pasta, but in a healthier format, like, getting better ingredients. Or today there's so much available, whether it's gluten-free or dairy-free, but still having all the nutritional values. So I've enjoyed my food, I think for the first time in my life, actually, for about 5 or 6 years, without complaining. I enjoyed eating a very simple diet, but now I've added a little tadka to my life, and I've realized that it's just portion control and I can manage it. So now the real task is going to see how I manage to do it on set now. I think post-lockdown, the maintenance is going to be everyone's
that
challenge.
is going to be, but listen, you're looking amazing because you added a little tadka in your food, like you just said.
That's
I
why.
think that's
Exactly.
Yeah. Thank you so much for coming on my show. We've had such a wonderful guest list, and you've just added this, extra feather.
Thank you so much for having me. I've been wanting to come on What Women Want and chatting with you after a year now since Good News.
And hopefully
so
we can
lovely to
see
be
each other soon
soon.
after
Yeah.
this pandemic. So take care and thank you, Kiara. Thank you.
Thank you. Lots of love.